We'll begin with the first asana for the core, called the boat pose or Navasana. Use your hands to help you lift the legs up one by one, and if comfortable, free the hands out. Initially, keep the knees bent and back straight, and when you're comfortable, slowly straighten the legs out. Make sure your back is not rounding. Hold minimum of 5 to 10 breaths. Exhale, slowly release. Next, moving on to Upavishtha Konasana B. Holding the big toes with the first 2 fingers, straightening the legs out, keeping them split apart, making sure the back is straight, activating the core while you hold. Slowly release out of the pose. Next, moving on to the Chaturanga. Lifting up on the tiptoes and bending the elbows, holding halfway. Slowly release and relax into Makarasana. This can be held for a minimum of 5 to 10 seconds. Next, moving on to the high plank. And swaying in the high plank, lift up on the tiptoes and begin to move forward in a swaying motion on the tiptoes, trying to bring the shoulders beyond the wrist. Next, moving into child's pose to recover. Slowly moving into the low plank, keeping the shoulders and elbows in line and the back flat. We'll add the sways here as well. And slowly moving on the toes, shifting shoulders beyond the elbows. Can be done for a minimum of 10 repetitions. Use the child's pose to recover. Next, moving on to Ardha Pincha Mayurasana, also known as the dolphin. Here we'll be doing a dolphin variation push-up. Moving the shoulders beyond the elbows, using the toes to shift you forward. The hip is pointing upwards. Minimum of 10 repetitions, and then slowly relax in the child's pose.